Exciting news in the world of oil technologies. On October 16, Savita Oil Technologies proudly announced the successful commissioning of its state-of-the-art synthetic ester plant located in Mumbai. This multi-purpose facility is specifically designed for the production of synthetic esters, initially tailored for transformer fluid applications. What sets this plant apart is its versatility, as it also possesses the capability to manufacture synthetic esters for high-performance automotive and industrial lubricants. With this groundbreaking achievement, Savita Oil Technologies now stands as the world's first company to manufacture and market mineral oil, natural ester, and synthetic ester-based transformer fluids. But that's not all. Building on the esters produced in this cutting-edge plant, the company is gearing up to launch a new range of electric vehicle coolants and immersion cooling fluids. Let's take a quick look at Savita Oil Technologies Limited's stock analysis. In the past quarter, quarterly revenue rose by an impressive 2.16% year-over-year, reaching 937.41 crore rupees. The stock price saw a remarkable increase of 25.54%, outperforming its sector by 14.08% in the last year. The price-to-earning ratio is a favorable 13, lower than its sector pay ratio of 19.94. Remarkably, the debt-to-equity ratio is 0, as the company maintains a debt-free status. Mutual fund holdings have shown a slight increase by 0.02% in the last quarter, reaching 7.42%. Over the past 3 years, Savita Oil Technologies has demonstrated a substantial profit growth of 33.13% and an impressive revenue growth of 21.06%. Notably, the company has significantly reduced its debt by 0.12 crores. Savita Oil Technologies has consistently maintained a healthy return on equity, ROE, of 20.56% over the past 3 years, surpassing the normal range of 10% to 20%. Looking at the shareholding summary, promoters' holding remains unchanged at 71.92% in the September 2023 quarter. Foreign institutional investors, FII, FPI, have slightly decreased their holdings from 1.86% to 1.73%. On the other hand, mutual funds have increased their holdings from 7.40% to 7.42% in the same quarter. In conclusion, Savita Oil Technologies stands out for its stability, fair valuation, excellent efficiency, and robust financials. Stay tuned for more updates on this trailblazing company in the world of oil and technology. Now, before we wrap up, if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow investors, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our community of investors. Thanks for joining us today. Happy investing, and we'll catch you in the next video.